Welcome back to PinTech. I just finished shopping out the Sankyo Jet Coaster Pachinko machine, and this video is for the client to show him that the machine's functioning 100% after the work that was done. I also reworked the wire harness and installed LEDs, so now you have a jackpot light and a low hopper light that's functioning. I also installed 2 panes of glass in the door, as well as 2 new feet. So how do you play Pachinko? The object of Pachinko is to shoot balls into the playfield and have the balls land in pockets. Every time a ball lands in a pocket, you get a jackpot. When you get a jackpot light will come on, and you'll hear a bell ring as well, and balls will come into the ball feeder tray right here, jackpot balls. If you get enough jackpots and your ball feeder tray starts to overflow and jam up back into the machine, what you want to do is send them down into the overflow tray, which is down here. You do that by depressing this lever to the left. That'll clear the ball feeder tray a little bit and send the balls down here, and now you won't have jams back there. So you want to keep your ball feeder tray flowing smoothly. On this particular machine you have 7 pockets that can give you jackpots, 4 of which are called tulips or mechanical pockets. And that's these 4 right here. What makes them mechanical pockets is that they change the state that they're in each time a ball enters. For instance, here's an open tulip where the wings are spread out right here. A ball entering an open tulip will give you a jackpot and then close the tulip's wings into this state right here. So here's a closed tulip, here's an open tulip. It's still open, only that the wings have closed on it to make it a smaller jackpot pocket. So look at the difference in size of the pocket. So you want them to be like this, which is ideal because you get better chance of getting a jackpot. So a ball entering an open tulip will close the wings into this state. A ball entering the closed state tulip like this will open up the wings into this state and give you a jackpot. So these are mechanical jackpots, the 4 of them. The other 4 are stationary. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they stay the same size whether and don't change the state that they are, so they're not mechanical. Any ball entering gives you a jackpot. The main feature on this machine that you want to try for is the center jackpot. A ball entering down the very center of this jackpot opens up both tulips and gives you a jackpot, so that's very good. Also, a ball entering on the left side of this attraction here will open up the left side tulip and your bottom tulip, and you get a jackpot. And of course, conversely, a ball entering the right side of this attraction will open up the right side tulip and the center tulip down here and give you a jackpot. So let me play some games, and hopefully we'll lower the hopper, which is in the back of the machine. And that's a very important feature that you have to know about. The hopper in the back of the machine holds all the balls that the machine uses to play with and give you jackpots and payouts. When that hopper goes low, a light will come on here showing that the hopper is low. And what that does, besides showing you that the hopper is low, is it closes a gate right here which keeps the balls from the ball feeder tray from entering the shooter area. And the reason being is you want to shoot balls and get jackpots, and there's no balls in the hopper to pay out. So that's the idea behind that. However, if this light comes on and your hopper is low and you still have balls in the shooter area, you'll be able to fire out the remaining balls in the shooter area. Once that's done, it remains empty, and the balls from the feeder tray won't feed into here anymore. So the game will be basically shut down. So then what you want to do is fill the hopper back up with balls, the light will go out, the gate will come up, the balls will feed from the feeder tray into the shooter area, and then you'll be able to resume play again with the machine. So I put just enough balls in the hopper to enable the machine to be functioning, and the light is out. And I did that so in order to get a few jackpots to pay out enough balls to lower the hopper so you see that it's functioning correctly and all the features are functioning correctly. So let me fire some balls. We're going to try for these tulips because of the wide pockets, and of course the ball entering should close the tulips into this state, and we should get a payout for each time a ball enters a tulip. So we got the first tulip, it closed up, we got a payout of balls here, the light came on. just gotten a ball into the stationary pocket, which was enough of a payout to empty out the hopper or lower it, and then following that we got a ball into the right side tulip, which closed it up and gave us another jackpot. So now you see that the light's on. This should be closed off, and what's remaining in here should be able to be fired out. So we have 3 balls in the shooter area. Now there's nothing left, and the game is basically shut down. So what we want to do is fill the hopper back up with balls so that the light comes out, the gate rises up, and we resume play. Let me load some balls. You see the light went out, and now on the first time you pull the lever, there shouldn't be a ball in there, so it won't fire a ball out, but it will load a ball. Let's see if we fire. See nothing? Now there's a ball loaded into the shooter area from that first depression. Now it should fire. And there we go. Now we're back to resume play. Well, we got a ball in the center. And another ball in that tulip. And the bottom tulip opened up too. We got another one in the center. Where's it going to land? We opened up this right tulip. Gave you a payout. Now we have 2 open tulips. One just jackpot. We have one here. What are we going to try for? We got it. And the hopper is now low again, and we're back to where we were. This is starting to jam up, so you want to lower the balls into the overflow tray. And that's basically it. So there you have a working Sankyo jet coaster Pachinko. So very quick, I'll show you the attraction and why it's called jet coaster. There on the center attraction, I'm not sure if you can make it out or not. You have a bunch of kids on a little roller coaster here, and here's the track that's looping around. And you see the kid in the front, or that looks like a father with a mustache. He looks terrified. This child behind him in the middle looks panicked too, or terrified. Maybe it's not focusing the camera, but the child in the back seat is having a blast, a big smile on his face. And here we have what looks like an angel or something like that. Maybe they're blessing or watching over the people in the coaster so nothing happens to them. But anyway, this is the Sankyo jet coaster Pachinko. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have or subscribe to the channel, or do both, that would be great. It helps me out. And if you have a Pachinko or a pinball machine that needs a restoration or repairs, contact me at PinTech on Facebook. Thanks for watching.